The Cangshan N1 1-24784 knife set is expertly crafted using high-quality German steel, providing exceptional durability and edge retention for all your culinary needs. Each knife in the set undergoes a rigorous 6-stage heat treatment process, ensuring long-lasting strength and functionality in every blade. This 17-piece collection includes a comprehensive range of knives, from essential kitchen staples to specialized tools, all neatly housed in a stylish walnut block. Designed for versatility and precision, these knives make various cutting tasks both effortless and efficient, catering to both novice and experienced chefs. Adhering to the highest standards, the set is NSF certified and comes with a lifetime warranty, guaranteeing reliability and peace of mind for users. To maintain their pristine condition, it is recommended to wash these knives with warm water and mild detergent, followed by careful drying with a towel.